Hello, we're back. This is Rain. She's still plucking, isn't obvious, but these days she's actually, I don't know if you can tell, letting the feathers grow in a lot longer before she actually starts plucking them. We've been working mostly on, oh, thank you. She loves me for some reason. We've been working mostly on her hand issues. So, see, as opposed to attacking my hand, now she's just kind of a little bit repulsed by it. You need me a kiss? There we go. So we'll be doing a substitution every time I touch her with my finger or come near my hand. It's more of let's kiss and head scratch instead of attacking. Kiss. Good bird. Yes, good bird. Much friendlier, right? Hi. Oh, she's talking. She's in a very chatty mood today. Hi. Come on, hi. Oh, legs going up. Come on. But completely uninterested in doing anything. Hi. Come on, hi. Good bird, Rain. Good bird. As you can see, some tail feathers coming in. Again, she keeps plucking these things. This is her favorite thing I've discovered now is she loves plucking her tail feathers, which is just horrible for a gray because they're so top heavy. They really need those tail feathers to balance. Alright, well that's about it. She is making progress. See? No fighting, right? Give me a kiss. Yes! Yes, I'm very proud of you. I'm very proud of you. That was her. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, till next time.